So I just got the Moza Mini-Mi. It's a wireless phone charging gimbal. And first I'm going to unbox it, see what actually came with it. And then I'm going to do some tests on it. And I'm particularly interested in comparing it to this guy, which is DJI's Osmo Mobile 2. I've had this since February. Not entirely pleased with it, so hoping that this is maybe an improvement from that. Already broke the seal here. Pretty cool packaging. Alright, looks like inspection passed, QR codes. These appear to be stickers. Cool. And a quick start guide, which I'm going to skip right over for now. Obviously, it looks like the box itself is really taken up by this case. It's sort of a soft case, but it does offer some amount of protection. And here we go, moment of truth. Alright, some snacks. Just kidding, don't eat those. Looks like a cloth for cleaning your lens cleaning cloth. Here's a USB device cable. It's going to be for charging, just your standard USB here. The case has some padding at the top, and it's not form-fitting for this, but it does look like it fits pretty snug in the case. Let's see what we got in here. It's a little mini tripod, that's cool. So here's your USB port, tripod, connection on the bottom. Looks like one here as well. It's actually oriented opposite the Osmo 2, although it looks like maybe that could go in either direction. Notice wireless charging symbol, and your controls, power. Neat. Let's try it. You'll want to first balance your phone in the Mini-Mi. There's a knob screw balance adjustment on the gimbal arm, and you'll also move the phone holder in either direction until it balances. The gimbal can shoot vertical video, if you're into that, by loosening the knob screw on the back of the holder. You'll also want to install the Moza Genie app to get the most out of your Mini-Mi. I found the app very intuitive and easy to use. Menus are one click away, and you can use the scroll wheel to toggle through the options and the center button to select. The app defaulted to 720p video, so if you have a capable phone, you want to probably change the resolution. That's easy to do within the menus. I was happy to see 4K 60 frames per second in the app, something that the DJI Go app does not yet support. It actually stops me at 4K 30 frames per second. For wireless charging, just double press the power button and voila! Double press it again to stop. If your phone doesn't charge wirelessly, there's still a USB port on the gimbal. It's easy to take selfies with the Mini-Mi. You just double press the bottom button and it flips the camera around to face you. Double press again to return to normal. A very fun feature is Inception Mode. If you triple press the top button, the gimbal can rotate 360 degrees, creating a warping effect similar to those seen in the movie Inception. To test the Mini-Mi out in the wild, I went to my dad's place in Wisconsin. He took along the Osmo Mobile 2 to compare. The Mini-Mi performed really well. Driving on a bumpy road was so-so, but I had the Mini-Mi sticking out the window and it was windy. I'm still seeing the iPhone X's optical image stabilization battling the gimbal, so I don't think the app can turn that off just yet. That's unfortunate, but I think it's an issue with all gimbals and recording software at this point. The Joystick Control is really smooth. We checked out the Cabin Foundation project that's underway. The zoom is also smooth, but keep in mind it's a digital zoom, so it'll start to pixelate as you zoom in. Object tracking also worked really well. It's easy and intuitive to select the object on the screen and then move around it, and the gimbal will keep the object centered.